Okay.
Where did you find? Hold on. If I don't find my
This one right here is mine, bro. This right here is mine. Do you have another one of those? Do you have another one of those? Yeah. Give me that back.
You gotta aim at me now. Oh, we just got hedged.
No, it's not. It's not.
Yo, does anybody have shotgun ammo? Okay, he's just gotta run away. You do?
No,
Give me.
Who wants to do a money glitch? Who wants to do a money glitch?
Next.
Yo, wait at the computer that's doing the
Nothing.
money glitch. Okay, well,
No.
what's the money glitch?
What the heck?
What was the code again?
Okay, I guess you can't fit that in the backpack. Can I not put stuff in this backpack?
WW.
Oh, there we go. Hand. Here. No. See, that's the problem. Gotta take it. Somebody's gotta take it. Okay. Like the point where I just think it's bad aiming. Hand. 3, 2, 1. Death wish. Bro missed so bad. Is there any shotgun ammo back here? Nope, just an don't. And I don't have ammo in my backpack, so that's going to be a. Oh, I wish I shot you so much times. It's like torture or something. I don't know. Yo, somebody gonna come in clutch here and then kill all of them, or no? Or
Well, I need RPG ammo. I need RPG ammo to kill all of them.
what?
Okay. If you have RPG ammo, come to a frozen lake and you could get like $1,000
Yo, come on!
from me nuking all the monsters. I have RPG ammo. Okay. Do you have if you have an RPG, come to lake and go to the presents normally spawn at and just nuke all of them up. I have to go down. Hurry up, man. She's a runner, she's a track star.
Yo, I need that crate.
Oh, does it taking...
Nah, stop. Yo.
Just wait, guys, I'm gonna start a video.
Yo, this is actually so fun.
Oh, shoot. Bro, I'm putting a snowball in my backpack for some reason. Because I think it will become rare when this update's over. And it'll become like all grass again, so yeah.
You wanna see someone fly in the air very high? I'm waiting for you, it's taking forever.
Yo, why does he sound like the guy from like something?
I'm flying!
I just see. Oh no! No! Oh, taper fan or something. Oh, bro, he's still chasing me!
No?
Yeah.
Never mind.